Hi Virgo, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. This is a mid month reading for the month of May 2021. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. You've got the Moon, the King of Pentacles, and the Death card. Also, the Page of Wands. Knight of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. Okay. Virgo, I feel you guys have isolated yourself for some time. You're doing your own thing, probably getting over certain heartbreak, or you miss someone, but you know that there is nothing that is going to come off this situation. So you're just on your own, doing your own thing. You're not going other people's way. There could be a Scorpio person involved with you. If not, there's something that's ended, and you're just dealing with all of that in solitude. And Virgo, I feel you want a second chance with someone, but there's a part of you that knows that the person that you're thinking about won't give you another chance. You're working on your money, you're working on a career, passion, but your heart keeps aching for someone who is strong. They know how to go about achieving their dreams with a practical mindset. Even if you guys did have any kind of relationship, Virgo, this person is past that. And even if they aren't past that, they just know that right now that is not the priority. Achieving your goals is the priority, and they are going after their goals. You could be involved with a Pisces person, another Earth person, probably a Taurus, a Capricorn, or a fellow Virgo. Virgo, you've got the Death and the Devil card. This is your energy. Okay, Virgo, you want to offer this new beginning to somebody. You want to talk to someone, and you are emotional about this person, but it's just that there's something stopping you. You are attached to this person, really attached. Something happened between the two of you, and you had to go your separate ways. Probably you don't live in the same city, or they just know that right now they don't need another person in their life, whoever you're talking or thinking about. But Virgo, you need to get out of this isolation. You need to see other people, because in the long run it'll affect your mental health and physical health as well. So take care about that, Virgo. Yup, you've got the Hanged Man. There's something that is stopping you from moving on, and I don't know what that is. Probably the memories of this person, the times that you spent together, the love, the affection that you guys had. But I feel there is no contact between the two of you, and you look at them from far. You look at them, going their way, doing their stuff, and becoming what they always wanted to be, but you miss them. Yep. In order to get a peaceful resolution, Virgo, either you need to go ahead and talk to them and tell them how you truly feel, or you need to look away at other options. I feel if you go to this person and talk to them, they will be more than happy to talk and communicate. Communication is key. Oh my god, I didn't see this come. Wow, you are good enough, Virgo. Yeah, I think probably you feel that this person is out of your league, and whatever relationship or situationship you had was supposed to be that way because they are just out of your league, and dreaming of them is something that you're not even supposed to do. It's not that. You and your loved ones are safe. See, Virgo, this is your card. You're good enough. Full moon in Virgo. Your hard work is paying off. Balance spirituality and practicality, and hold your vision, Virgo. If you love someone, if you want something, go after it. At least give it a try, if nothing else. Thank you, universe, for helping me see beyond the limits of fear. Thank you for expanding my perceptions so that I can see what is of the highest good. That is your message from the universe, Virgo. I hope you find the strength to communicate with this person ASAP. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.